Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will learn reaction involved in alkene. Type of reaction in alkene is electrophilic addition reaction. Let's start with preparation of alkene. There are two reactions involved to prepare an alkene. First, dehydration of alcohol. From alcohol, by using concentrated H2SO4 heat, H2O will remove and carbon-carbon double bond is formed. Second is dehydrohalogenation of haloalkane. Haloalkane with KOH in ethanol reflux, HCl will remove or HX is removed and carbon-carbon double bond is formed. Okay, now we proceed to reaction in alkene. Since type of reaction in alkene is electrophilic addition, we can see that from double bond, from C double bond C, it will form single bond. So, first reaction is hydrogenation. In hydrogenation, C double bond C will add two hydrogen atoms and the product form is H, C, CH3, C, H, H, and two hydrogen atom is added to the carbon-carbon double bond. And we can see that from carbon-carbon double bond, product form single bond. Reaction with HBr. Reaction with HBr will follow Markov-Nikov rule. Markov-Nikov rule states that in addition of HX to an unsymmetrical alkene, the hydrogen atom attached to the carbon of the double bond with greater number of hydrogen atom. What is meant by unsymmetrical alkene? Unsymmetrical alkenes means that at carbon-carbon double bond, there are unequal number of hydrogen atom. For example, for the first carbon, there are two hydrogen atom and the second carbon has only one hydrogen atom. So, when HBr is added to the carbon-carbon double bond, it will follow Markov-Nikov rule. So, means that hydrogen will added to the carbon with the greater number of hydrogen atom. So, in this case, H will added to this carbon and Br will added to the another carbon. Reaction with HBr with peroxide. H2O2 is peroxide. In this reaction, it will become anti-Markov-Nikov. So, means that when add HBr in the peroxide, H will added to the carbon with less number of hydrogen atom. So, we get the product H, C, CH3, C, H, H. So, H will added to the carbon with less number of hydrogen atom and Br is added to the another atom. Reaction bromine in inert solvent. In this reaction, 2Br is added to the carbon-carbon double bond and product form is H, C, CH3, C, H, H. 2Br is added to the carbon-carbon double bond and double bond will become single bond. Next, reaction bromine in water. In this reaction, bromine and OH is added to the carbon-carbon double bond and halohydrin is formed. In this reaction, bromine will added to the carbon with greater number of hydrogen atom. So, we get the product H, CH3, C, H, H. In this case, bromine will added to the carbon with greater number of hydrogen atom and OH is added to the another carbon. Hydration in acidic medium. Hydration in acidic medium will follow Markov-Nikov rule. So, means that H is added to the carbon with greater number of hydrogen atom. So, we get the product H, C, CH3, C, H, H, and H is added to the carbon with greater number of hydrogen atom, and OH is added to another carbon. And next is KMnO4 OH minus coal. KMnO4 OH minus coal is called as Bayer test, and it can use as chemical test. In this reaction, 2OH is added to the carbon-carbon double bond, and double bond will become single bond. So we get the product H, C, CH3, C, H, H, and 2OH is added to the carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, next, reaction of alkene with KMnO4 H plus heat and ozonolysis. This is oxidation reaction. In oxidation reaction, at carbon-carbon double bond will cleavage and C double bond O is formed. First, with KMnO4 H plus heat. So, C double bond C will break. C double bond C will break. At C double bond C break, so we write C double bond O. Okay, CH3 and one hydrogen atom, so we write OH. So, carboxylic acid is formed. And the second product formed is when the carbon double bond break has two hydrogen atom, the product formed is carbon dioxide. Next, reaction with ozonolysis. Okay, so we get two products at C double bond break, so we write C double bond O. So we just write, copy all the atom that bonded to C double bond O, and another atom is C double bond break, so we write C double bond O, hydrogen and hydrogen. So that's all for today. Thank you.